Are you looking for the best desktop computers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best desktop computers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Asus ROG Strix GA15DK Gaming Desktop PC. One of the most powerful pre-builts available, the Asus ROG Strix GA15DK sports an impressive Ryzen 5800X CPU with 8 cores capable of reaching 4.7 GHz, along with a GeForce RTX 3070 GPU that's perfect for high frame rate gameplay. AMD Ryzen 7-5800X processor, 32M cache, up to 4.7 GHz, with ROG B550 board-in chipset. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 8GB GDDR6, base, 1500 MHz, boost, 1755 MHz, TDP, 220W, GPU ports, 1x HDMI, 3x DP, 1x DVI. 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD plus 1TB HDD, 16GB DDR4, 3200 MHz RAM, Gigabit Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC. Game your way with customizable Asus Aura Sync RGB chassis lighting and EMI reducing transparent side panel. Flowtech ventilation elevates internal cooling to maximize system performance. Designed for gamers, carry handle lets you bring your tower to any LAN party. Side hook neatly holds your headset. Front I/O, 1x USB 3.2 Type A, 1x USB 3.2 Type C, 1x headphone, 1x microphone. Rear I/O, 4x USB 3.2 Gen 1, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 2, 1x mic, 1x line out, 1x line in, 1x Ethernet, 1x HDMI out. Comes with Windows 10 Home and a free upgrade to Windows 11. Number 2. Apple Mac Mini. If you don't have a lot of space and you're a fan of its streamlined operating system, the Apple Mac Mini may be your best bet. It sports 4 40GB per second Thunderbolt 3 ports, and, believe it or not, it actually doesn't cost a fortune. Apple designed M1 chip for a giant leap in CPU, GPU, and machine learning performance. 8-core CPU packs up to 3x faster performance to fly through workflows quicker than ever. 8-core GPU with up to 6x faster graphics for graphics-intensive apps and games. 16-core neural engine for advanced machine learning. 8GB of unified memory so everything you do is fast and fluid. Powerful Apple M1 chipset. Advanced graphics processor. Either 256 or 512GB of storage. Number 3. Minix Neo J50C4 Max, 8GB per 240GB Intel Pentium Silver Mini PC. About as small as a PC can get, the Minix Neo J50C is as good for a home theater setup as it is for everyday use. The included VESA mount lets you attach it to the back of a standard monitor to create a space-saving all-in-one PC. Fully configured, complete system pre-installed with 8GB DDR4 memory, 240GB SSD internal storage and Windows 11 Pro OS. Simply connect your mouse, keyboard and display, and you're ready to go. No setup or installation required. Brilliant triple 4K at 60Hz display support, all 3 display outputs, allowing simultaneous output on up to 3 screens in superb 4K ultra high definition. The integrated USB-C port only supports video output, not audio output. Expanded your RAM, storage. The pair of SODIMM slots support up to 8GB of DDR4 memory each, total of 16GB DDR4 memory. The 2280 M.2 slot, SATA 6.0 gigabits per second, support to storage expansion up to 1TB. Ideal for commercial and industrial applications, built in accordance to the most stringent industrial standards, Neo J50C4 Max is highly reliable throughout periods of continuous 24/7 operation even under the most strenuous conditions. Minix Neo J50C4 Max strikes the perfect balance between size and power, providing the functionality of a desktop computer in a sleek, super compact enclosure. Number 4. Computer Upgrade King Sentinel Aiming Desktop. If you're in the market for pure performance, the Computer Upgrade King Sentinel should be on your list. With a high-end GeForce RTX 3070 GPU, 8-core AMD CPU, and a whopping 64GB of RAM clocked at an impressive 3200 MHz. Computer Upgrade King sells computers with upgraded configurations. If the computer has modifications listed above, then the manufacturer box is opened for it to be tested and inspected and to install the upgrades to achieve the specifications as advertised. If no modifications are listed, the item is unopened and untested. Defects and blemishes are significantly reduced by our in-depth inspection and testing. Processor: AMD Ryzen 7 5700X 8-core processor, 32 MB cache, 3.4 GHz to 4.6 GHz, 65W. RAM: 32 GB DDR4 3200 MHz, hard drive, 1 TB NVMe solid-state drive plus 2 TB 7200 RPM hard disk drive. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 12 GB GDDR6X, motherboard, B550. Operating system: Windows 11 Pro x64. Accessories: wired LED backlit USB gaming keyboard and mouse included 3-year CUK limited warranty. View warranty section below for more details. Number 5. Lenovo ThinkCentre M93P Small Form Business High Performance Desktop Computer PC. While its hardware isn't exactly recent, the Lenovo ThinkCentre M93P is more than capable of performing common tasks without hesitation thanks to a Core i5-4570 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a 1/4 TB NVMe SSD. This certified refurbished product is a product that has been inspected, repaired, cleaned and repackaged for sale after being used by a customer and returned. Although we purchase and sell the highest grade A off-lease products, unless otherwise marked for special sale, some items may show signs of use, such as minor scratches, etc. If saving money and resources is important to you and minor wear is acceptable to you, you should consider purchasing refurbished products. Intel Core i5-4570 3.2 GHz. 8G DDR3 RAM 240G SSD.